Lesson 15. The voice. The form of a verb that shows whether the subject of a sentence does an action or has an action done to it is called voice. Types of voice. There are two types of voice: active voice, passive voice. First, active voice. A verb is said to be in the active voice when the person or thing denoted by the subject does the action. Let's read some examples. Ram eats an apple. The girl pleases me. In the above sentences, the verb eat and pleases is active, so the verb is said to be in the active form. Second, passive voice. A verb is in passive voice when it tells us something that is done to a person or a thing. In other words, a passive voice expresses an action performed upon the subject. Let's read some examples. The window was broken by boys. An apple is eaten by Ram. The deer was killed by the tiger. Some common rules. There are many changes involved in changing active to passive. Let's learn about them. First, the object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject of the verb in the passive voice. Second, the subject in the active voice becomes the object of the verb in the passive voice. Third, in the passive voice, the third form of the verb is always used. Fourth, only transitive verbs can be changed into passive. Fifth, normally by is used before the object. Sixth, pronouns are changed as under: I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. Forms of verb used in different tenses. Present indefinite tense. Use is, are, am plus third form of verb past particle. Let's read some examples. Active. Ram kicks the ball. Passive. The ball is kicked by Ram. Active. The girl tears up the ladder. Passive. The ladder is torn up by the girl. Present continuous tense. We use is, are, am, are plus being plus third form of verb to change active voice into passive voice. Let's read some examples. Active. Ajay is watering the plants. Passive. The plants are being watered by Ajay. Active. My sister is reading a story book. Passive. A story book is being read by my sister. Present perfect tense. In the sentence of present perfect tense, while changing it into passive form, the active, we will use has, have plus been plus third form of verb. Let's read some examples. Active. The boy has eaten a cake. Passive. A cake has been eaten by the boy. Active. She has torn up the books. Passive. The books have been torn up by her. Present perfect continuous tense. There cannot be any change of voice if the sentence is of present perfect continuous tense. Past tense. Past indefinite tense. Was, were plus verb third form is used while changing the active voice into passive voice. Let's read some examples. Active. Ravi delivered a letter. Passive. A letter was delivered by Ravi. Active. Ram kicked the ball. Passive. The ball was kicked by Ram. Past continuous tense. In the sentence of past continuous tense, while changing it into passive voice from active voice, we will use was, were plus being plus third form of verb. Let's read some examples. Active. Ajay was watering the plants. Passive. The plants were being watered by Ajay. Active. My sister was reading a storybook. Passive. A storybook was being read by my sister. Past perfect tense. We will use had been plus verb third form while changing the sentence from active to passive voice. Let's read some examples. Active. The boy had eaten a cake. Passive. A cake had been eaten by the boy. Active. She had torn up the books. Passive. The books had been torn up by her. Past perfect continuous tense. There cannot be any change of voice if the sentence is of past perfect continuous tense. Future tense. Future indefinite tense. While changing the sentences from active voice to passive voice, we will use subject plus will shall plus be plus verb third form. Let's read some examples. Active. Ram will kick the ball. Passive. The ball will be kicked by Ram. Active. The girl will tear up the books. Passive. The books will be torn up by the girl. Future continuous tense. These cannot be any change of voice if the sentence is of future continuous tense. Future perfect tense. We will use will shall plus have plus been plus third form of verb while changing active voice into passive voice. Let's read some examples. Active. Ram will have kicked the ball. Passive. The ball will have been kicked by Ram. Active. Father will have not read the newspaper. Passive. The newspaper will have not been read by father. Future perfect continuous tense. There cannot be any change of voice if the sentence is of future perfect continuous tense. Commands and questions. Commands and questions are changed as shown below. Active voice, passive voice. Inform the teacher. Let the teacher be informed. Shut the window. Let the window be shut. Stop talking. You are ordered to stop talking. Did they invite you? Were you invited by them? Why did they reward him? Why was he rewarded by them? Have you seen the movie? Has the movie been seen by you?